Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Charge above 10% and install any pending system updates so changes apply cleanly. Once done, backup settings or create a quick snapshot in your account because you will enable developer options briefly. Now go to Settings and open Display. This is where we begin. Don't waste time. We change display values and theme flags next. Make sure you stay in Settings. You will not download apps or root the phone. This uses only built-in options. After enabling developer options by tapping build number 7 times, return to Settings and enter developer options. Here the key step is to locate Override Force Dark or similar Force Dark rendering flag and enable it. This forces compatible apps into dark theme. If your phone shows Simulate Color Gamut, choose a subtle profile only if colors look acceptable. Once you enable Force Dark, reboot the device to apply changes fully. Make sure to observe app UIs and note exceptions that need individual settings. Finalize by rebooting the Vivo Y93 so the Force Dark rendering takes effect consistently across system and apps. Once the phone restarts, inspect primary apps like Messages and Browser. If any show inversion or unreadable elements, disable Override Force Dark for a quick fix and reboot again. If your phone lacks a Force Dark flag, enable System Night Mode where available, or consider a reputable third-party launcher that supports a dark theme. One troubleshooting tip: uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.